How to use pawpaw seeds. Chew up a few fresh seeds 2 to 3 daily. If it is dried and crushed, mix into smoothies, salads or honey. In powder form, sprinkle a pinch into tea or maize. Note that too much of it can irritate the stomach. Pregnant women should avoid it. You're welcome once again to this beautiful channel. My name remains the same, Mr. Gosway. Today we'll be looking at a very important topic. But before we do that, I'll need you guys to look down below and subscribe to this beautiful channel. We're doing great by the grace of God. Now let's get started. I discover many eat up pawpaw but do away with the seeds. That is, they put off the seeds without looking at or considering the health benefits of pawpaw seeds. Pawpaw seeds are very useful, important to the body system. Pawpaw seeds are rich in antioxidants, peptide enzymes, healthy fat and proteins, and micronutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Antioxidants, let's talk about that. Antioxidants protect the body against cell damage by fighting off free radicals in the body. Peptide enzymes aid digestion and detoxification. Healthy fat and protein, very good for the body. All of that are embedded in pawpaw seed. Now let's also consider micronutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. All of that support bone health. And if your bone is healthy enough, you will be able to engage in a whole lot of things like workouts, jog up, and all of that. Still look down below this video by the right and hit on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell. As you eat up or consume pawpaw seeds, your skin automatically begins to glow. You appear healthier, fresher, and happier. This is why we must continue to eat up pawpaw seeds regularly to stay fit. Not just that, pawpaw seeds improves heart health. Your blood circulates well as a result of engaging pawpaw seeds. It fights off parasites in the body. If you want to shed off some weight, just go get some pawpaw seeds and consume them. Thank you so much for tuning in. I remain your regular host, Mr. Gosway. Till we meet again next time. Don't forget, as you lay up your bed, so you lie on it. Thank you so much. Stay connected, remain hydrated, and continue to follow me. Bye for now.